Greetings to all, I'm Iris, representing Ronsco Weekly. To stay updated on the most recent developments regarding the Chinese steel prices and industry market trends, kindly hit the subscribe and like options provided here. Take action now and register to ensure you stay informed and don't miss out on anything. The Chinese steel market has seen a division in the performance this week, with domestic prices experiencing an upward trend. This can be attributed to speculations of highly stimulating government policies that aim to enhance market sentiment. Regrettably, export prices have suffered due to poor overseas demand. Moving on to the topic of supply and demand, the market can be likened to a seesaw that is currently under the influence of bearish factors. The supply and demand balance is not favorable as inventory levels are low, production has not declined significantly, and demand remains sluggish, all painting a negative outlook for the market. In terms of next week's outlook, the situation does not appear to be improved as there are no indications of an upward trend. The market is suffering from weak demand, and in the absence of robust government policies, it seems unlikely that there will be a substantial price recovery. Regarding the supply side, steel production is not expected to see a significant reduction unless the mills can generate substantial profits. Therefore, for the upcoming week, it is anticipated that steel prices will continue to fluctuate at the lower end of the spectrum. That concludes today's market update of the steel industry. Do you believe that steel prices will persist at the lower, at the end of the spectrum? Thank you for tuning into our channel. We will continue monitoring the market and delivering the latest updates. If you find our video informative, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and leave your comments on the comment area. See you next week. Bye bye.